Imagine a world where your business runs seamlessly with lightning-fast data transfer and enhanced security. This is the power of low-voltage wiring, a game-changer for modern enterprises. In today's video, we will explore the critical role of low-voltage wiring in enhancing speed and reliability. From communication systems to security measures, low-voltage wiring is the backbone of efficient business infrastructure. We'll discuss its benefits, applications, and why investing in this technology is essential for your business's future. Low-voltage wiring refers to electrical systems that operate at 50 volts or less, including data communication and security systems. Unlike traditional high-voltage wiring, low-voltage systems are designed to transmit power and data safely and efficiently. Common types of low-voltage wiring include data cables for networking, security cables for alarm systems, and audio-video cables. These systems reduce the risk of electrical shock and fire hazards while allowing for easier installation and maintenance. Low-voltage wiring offers numerous advantages that can significantly impact your business operations. Low-voltage systems can transmit data at high speeds, making them ideal for businesses that rely on real-time communication. For instance, fiber optic cables can transmit data at speeds up to 1 gigabit per second or more. These systems are less prone to interference and signal degradation, ensuring consistent performance. This reliability is crucial for businesses that depend on uninterrupted communication and data access. Low-voltage systems typically consume less energy, leading to lower utility bills and installation costs. As your business grows, low-voltage wiring systems can be easily expanded or modified, allowing for flexibility. Operating at lower voltages reduces the risk of electrical hazards, making it a safer option for employees and equipment. Low-voltage wiring is utilized in various business applications, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Low-voltage data cables are essential for creating robust network infrastructures, supporting internet access and internal communications. Businesses can implement low-voltage wiring for security cameras, alarm systems, and access control systems. This enhances safety and provides peace of mind for business owners. Conference rooms and training facilities benefit from low-voltage audio and video systems for seamless presentations. Low-voltage wiring is integral to smart building systems, automating lighting, heating, and security. This improves energy efficiency and enhances the overall work environment. To maximize the benefits of low-voltage wiring, consider best practices during installation. Carefully plan the wiring layout to ensure optimal performance and accessibility before installation. Invest in high-quality cables and components to ensure longevity and reliability. Adhere to local and national electrical codes to ensure safety and compliance during installation. Schedule regular inspections and maintenance to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Whenever possible, hire certified professionals for installation to ensure the work is done correctly and safely. In summary, low-voltage wiring is a vital component of modern business infrastructure. Its speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness make it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. By investing in low-voltage wiring, businesses can enhance their operational efficiency and reduce costs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How has low-voltage wiring impacted your business?